Hello everyone and welcome to Free Current Affair. Today we discuss some important current affair of 4 and 5th May 2021. Before we discuss the important current affair, kindly like, subscribe and comment to our YouTube Free Current Affair channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever we upload a video, you got fast notification. Okay, then first go to our first question. Which day is observed on 4th May 2021? World Atma Day, Coal Miners Day, C International Fighter Day, D all of the above. इसका आंसर देखते हैं. आंसर D all of the above. World Asthma Day is observed every year on raise awareness about the chronic disease and how it can be controlled with proper treatment. The day is celebrated on the first Tuesday of May every year and it is being observed today, 4th May. Okay. Next, in collaboration with the World Health Organization and the World Asthma Day, the Asthma Day was founded by Global Initiative for Asthma (GINA) in 1993. Okay. Next, this year's theme is uncovering asthma misconception, which aims to clearing misconception related to the complication of asthma. Okay. Coal Miners Day is celebrated on May 4 to recognize the hard work of some of the great unsung heroes of industrial revolution. Okay. An International Fighter Day is observed on May 4. It was instituted after a proposal was emailed out across the world on January 4, 1990 due to the death of 5 firefighters in tragic circumstances in a bushfire in Australia. Okay. Next. Which day is observed on May 5, 2021? International Day of the Midwife, World Hand Hygienic Day, C International Labour Day, D both A and B. Answer is both A and B. Okay. International Day of Midwife is observed globally on 5 May every year. Since 1992, this day is celebrated to recognize this work of midwives and raise awareness about the status of midwives for the essential care they provide to mothers and the newborns. The theme of 2021 International Day of Midwife is follow the data, invest in midwives. Every year, the World Hand Hygiene Day is observed on May 5th. The day is organized by the World Health Organization to raise awareness among people across the globe about the importance of the hand hygiene in warding off many serious infections. The theme of 2021 is Second Save Lives, Clean Your Hands. Okay. Uh, Please comment the headquarters of WHO in comment. Okay. Next, name the spacecraft of NASA which discovered radio signal from Venus. A. Parker Solar Probe, B. Orion, C. Gaganyaan, D. Arena. Okay, answer is A. Parker Solar Probe. The NASA spacecraft Parker Solar Probe has discovered a natural radio signal from Venus. The signal was detected when the space probe flew over the upper atmosphere of Venus. Okay, Venus के बारे में कुछ जानते हैं. Venus is the second planet from the sun after Mercury. Venus is also called the morning star and it is also known as evening star. The hottest planet in our solar system is Venus with temperature approximately around 462 degrees Celsius. Although Mercury is the closest to Sun, it's not the hottest planet. Venus is hottest planet because it is covered by a thick layer of cloud composed of carbon dioxide and other gases. Okay, Gaganyaan is the spacecraft of ISRO. Okay, Ariane is the spacecraft of European Space Agency. Okay, next. The Reserve Bank of India has imposed a monetary penalty of Rs 3 crore on which of the following bank? A. ICICI Bank, B. Axis Bank, C. HDFC Bank, D. PNB. Answer is A. ICICI Bank. The Reserve Bank of India has by an order dated on May 3rd, 2020 imposed a monetary penalty of 3 crore, rupees 3 crore on ICICI Bank Ltd. The bank contravention of certain direction issued by RBI. The penalty has been imposed in exercise of power vested by in RBI under the provision of Section 47A 1 subclause C. Read with Section 46(4)(I). Section 46(4)(I) of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. The action is based on the deficiency of regulatory compliance and is not intended to pronounce upon the validity of any transaction or agreement entered into the bank with its customer. Okay. ICICI Bank, known as Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, CEO Sandeep Baxi, founded in June 1994, Vadodara, headquarters Mumbai, RBI Governor Shaktikant Das, established on 1st April 1935. RBI was nationalized on 1st January 1949, headquarters Mumbai. Okay, we have to remember two things. One is RBI Act 1935 and that is Banking Regulation Act 1949. Okay, next. Who has been appointed the acting chairman of NHRC? NHRC is nothing but National Human Rights Commission. Okay, Dr. G.B. Samanta, B. P.C. Pant, C. Dr. Ajay Mathur, D. Saurabh. Okay, answer is B. The Honorable President of India has authorized Mr. Justice Prafulla Chandra Pant, member of National Human Rights Commission, NHRC India, to act as its chairman with respect to 5th April 2021. Okay, so NHRC chairman is appointed by President, our President. Okay, NHRC chairman is a statutory body. Sorry, the National Human Rights Commission of India is a statutory body constitution on 12 October 1993 under the Protection of Human Rights Ordinance of 28 September 1993. Okay, it was given a statutory body basis of the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993 (PHRA). The NHRC is a National Human Rights Commission of India, responsible for the protection and promotion of human rights in India, defined by the Act of Rights relating to life, liberty, equality, and dignity of individual, guaranteed by the Constitution or embedded in the International Convention and enforceable by court in India. Okay, Prafulla Chandra Pant is Indian author and a former judge of Supreme Court, also member of NHRC, appointed as chairman of NHRC. He replaces H.L. Dottu. Okay, NHRC. Okay, we know NHRC. So again, an important question is Human Rights Day is celebrated on 10 December every year. Okay, NHRC India motto is Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. May all be happy. Okay, United Nations Commission on Human Rights headquarters Geneva, Switzerland. Okay, okay. Before we go to next question, first we know who is appointed as NHRC chairman, a judge of Supreme Court or Chief Justice of former Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Okay, next question. Indian Army has inaugurated the first green solar energy harnessing plant in which state? A. Odisha, B. Rajasthan, C. Sikkim, D. Himachal Pradesh. Answer is C. Sikkim. Indian Army inaugurated its first green solar energy harnessing plant in North Sikkim. The plant is capable of generating 56 kilovolt ampere of energy and uses Bhandanium battery technology. It is located at the altitude of 16,000 feet and is developed in partnership with the IIT Bombay. Okay. Chief of Army Staff General M.M. Narayan, Sikkim. Sikkim capital Gangtok. CM Prem Singh Taman. Governor Ganga Prasad. Okay. Before we State Bank of Sikkim is finally controlled by RBI. Before it is not controlled by RBI. It is an important current affair. Okay. After so many years, it is controlled by State Reserve Bank of India. Next question. Which state government has launched a Gopabandhu Sambadhika Swasthya Bima Yojana? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Odisha, C. Bihar, D. Kerala. Answer is B. The government of Odisha declared working journalists of the state as frontline COVID warrior. The CM also announced the scheme called Gopabandhu Sambadhika Swasthya Bima Yojana for journalists. The scheme will be grant health insurance cover of Rs 2 lakhs for each. Governor of Odisha Ganeshi Lal, CM of Odisha Naveen Patnaik, capital Bhubaneswar. Okay. Okay, there are okay. The government of India launches two schemes for the common people, that is launches two insurance scheme for common people, that is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. In comment, can you tell me the exact age group of both the insurance scheme? Okay, next. Marcellus Security estimate India's GDP growth what percent for the financial year 2022? Okay, A 11%, B 10%, C 10.5%, D 12.5%. Okay, Marcellus Security which is answer is B 10%. Marcellus Security, which is a UK-based global brokerage firm, has announced its estimation for India GDP growth to be at 10% for the financial year 2022. Earlier it had projected growth of 11% for the same. Also, India economy will be contracted by 7.6% for the financial 2021. Means the GDP growth for financial year 2021 is minus 7.6%. The cut in GDP growth for financial 22 is due to the ongoing second wave of the pandemic, which has resulted in halt of many economical activities in India. Okay, next we discuss about some important organization or some important institutions that have projected India GDP growth. 11% is projected by JP Morgan Standard and Poor Economic Surveys ADB. This is very important. Economic surveys estimated India GDP growth 11%. Next RBI 10.5%. Okay, 12.5% is estimated by World Economic Outlook published by IMF International Monetary Fund. हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ पर है? वाशिंगटन डीसी. चीफ इकोनॉमिक एडवाइजर गीता गोपीनाथम, इंडियन ओरिजिन. ओके. Next 10.1% World Bank, headquarter Washington DC. Okay, next we discuss which state government launched Parvata Dhara Yojana? A Uttarakhand, B Sikkim, C Himachal Pradesh, D Karnataka. Answer C Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh government has initiated Parvata Dhara Yojana scheme. The scheme was launched to revive, recharge aquifer and conserve the water resources of the state. Okay, Himachal Pradesh government is launches the Parvata Dhara Yojana and will be implemented in 10 districts in the state with outlay of around 20 crore. Okay. Himachal Pradesh capital, two capital, that is first summer capital Shimla and the second is Dharmasala winter capital. Governor Bandaru Dattatreya, CM Jairam Thakur. Okay, next. The Reserve Bank of India has announced how much amount in order to increase the healthcare infrastructure and services related to COVID-19. Okay, A 50,000 crores, B 15,000 crore, C 45,000 crore, D 35,000 crore. Okay, answer is the Reserve Bank of India has announced around 50,000 crore liquidity in the order to increase the healthcare infrastructure and services related to COVID-19. It has been done till March 2022. Okay. The central bank also announced long-term repo operation for providing support to micro, small and other organized sector. Okay. The central government also provide 15,000 crore interest free or zero interest loan to state government for okay interest free loan to state government. Next, who has won World Snooker Championship 2021? A. Sean Murphy, B. Mark Selby, C. Pankaj Advani, D. Ronaldo Antonio O'Sullivan. Answer is B. Mark Selby. Mark Selby beat Sean Murphy to win fourth World Snooker Championship. Mark Selby has become the personal World Snooker Champion for the 4 times. Mark Selby from England. Okay. Next, name of the operation launched by the Armed Forces for mental health of COVID patient. Okay, COGIT, Co-Strength, C Co-Secure, D Co-Care. Answer is A COGIT. The Armed Forces have launched Operation COGIT to aid anti-COVID-19 efforts like strengthening the medical system in India and oxygen supply chain. Along with these, COGIT also take measures to ensure the mental well-being of people. Apart from medical therapy, patient necessity that the assurance that they will be fine. as long as they will be fine, and at time that each all they need to gain back self-confidence and courageous. Okay, Indian Defense Minister is Mr. Rajnath Singh. Okay, okay, thank you. If you like the content of Free and Safer, then kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And